Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export Relume to Figma. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log into Relume. Okay, now here in your dashboard, I want you to just click on Figma library. Okay, now once you click on this, you will get all of these options. So you can either go ahead and use a Relume Figma plugin, so you add your sitemaps and wireframes from your site builder to Figma with just one click by using this plugin. Or what you can use is the Relume Figma kit. And this includes 1,400 plus components with mobile variants and color variables that is updated monthly. And you just click on Open in Figma. Okay, this is the official starter kit for Site Builder. You just click on Open in Figma, and then it will open up this URL right here in a new tab. Okay, and this is Figma right here. You just click on Open in Figma. This is a community file. As you can see, this many people have done that. And make sure you actually log in to Figma as well. So I'll go ahead and just log in real quick just to show you. Okay, so currently we're getting logged in. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you authorize yourself to be able to use this. Okay, and that will just load a quick CAPTCHA for you. So just do that. And after you're done with that process, just click here, continue to file, and you can begin using it in Figma. So here it is opening up the file in a design view in Figma right here. And you'll be able to basically edit everything. Okay, just enter your name and proceed with that. Or of course you could use the Relume Figma plugin. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe too.